This is the India's Advanced Technology. India's aerospace major Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), along with the Bengaluru-based new space startup, is developing as a part of the indigenous Combat Air Teaming System (CATS). CATS drone is a deep penetration aerial attack system that enables a fighter pilot to remain safely within the country's borders, while being able to deploy missiles or swarms of drones deep into enemy territory to destroy targets. The stealth drones can carry up to 4 conventional munitions including cruise missiles, runway-destroying bombs, and other payloads. The aerial vehicle has a capacity of flying at a speed of 350 km into the enemy's territory guided by Mothership, a light combat aircraft (LCA), which can enter the enemy region, drop its missile and return to base. The project has been exclusively earmarked by HAL for all three defense arms of the nation, the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. With an initial investment of 400 crore rupees, work has been started on the three separate components that comprise the CATS system. First one is CATS Warrior. It is teaming drone, and capable of taking off on its own from the ground. It can strike targeted enemy regions with 250 kg explosives. Second one is CATS Hunter. It is a air-launched cruise missile and has a capacity of deep penetration strikes, which can be put as a payload on various Indian aircraft like Sukhoi 30 MKI, LCA Tejas, and Jaguar jets. And the third one is Alpha S. It is a glider drone. The Alpha S can be released directly by a mothership using a glider that can carry the drone swarms deep into enemy territory, controlled by the pilot networked via electronic data links, and equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors. So, all of these are unmanned systems but controlled by the pilot from the mothership via secure data links, and equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors. Beside this all, HAL is also planning to develop an unmanned aerial system that can fly at about 70,000 feet continuously for 2 to 3 months, to maintain surveillance on the ground below. The futuristic concept has been described as a world's first by HAL, which no other country has developed yet. The solar-energized system will also be developed jointly with a startup to bolster India's space power. If you liked this video, then please subscribe our channel.